dear students, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This afternoon, I am going to share to you information on how to write the theoretical framework of your thesis or thesis proposal. How? Before I will share to you the concept or the house in writing your theoretical framework, I would like to share to you that a theory is a set of general principles or knowledge used to explain phenomena. And the theory which you will use in your research might be the basis in the crafting of your hypothesis and the source of the different variables which are stipulated in the statement of the problem, the conceptual framework, and other parts or subsections of your thesis or thesis proposal. All right. In writing your theoretical framework, there are 3 points for discussions that you have to consider. The first one is you have to tell the theory, then it will be followed with the discussions on the nature and significant improvements or changes of the theory since it was originally proposed by a proponent until such time that it will reach to this particular period. Then, of course, the last one is the justification. Why the theory became the foundation of your study. It is necessary to justify why. So, what I said a while ago that the theory is the source or the basis in writing your hypothesis, which is actually proven. That's one of your justification. Then another is the sources of your variables. Okay, again, there are 3 points for discussions or 3 points for discussion when you are writing your theoretical framework. First one is you have to tell the theory, followed with the discussions of the theory and the significant improvements or development, and the last one is the justification of your why the theory became the foundation or fundamental framework of your study. Okay, I hope it is very clear to everyone. Thank you, and God bless you all.